What the hell is this?
Money Mojo Radio.
We love Moriocho.
Nothing can stop Good Afternoon with no Martini, except running out of ideas. On this episode, our host finds his long-lost cousin. We have an interview with the Bronxster analyzing the Pocket Symphony.
Wow.
The latest tech news from the world of tech.
Oh my god.
And Adobe is still suing people who are using older versions of their material. Why? Because they're out on a killing spree. Oh my god! All that and more on Good Afternoon with Noah Martini.
That's great.
And here's your host, the man who created free energy only to destroy it soon after for the benefit of all mankind, Noah Martini!
Why did you say we make him our slave for a day?
Yeah! Woo! Okay, stop.
Alright, we're gonna have a fantabulous day today, boys and girls. We got all the stuff we just listed now. We got some more stuff, maybe, I don't know. You're gonna love it. I'm no Martini. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm going crazy. My dog is dead. Not really. He's just hanging out at home. So, you better put your hands in your back pockets because it's gonna be a bumpy ride. So, today I was thinking about college. Once again. And my mind, it's wandered through the Markov chain that is my brain. And I landed on an interesting premise. Anime fighters. You know, like your Guilty Gears. Your Blaze Blues. You know, the Arxis. The boys at Arxis, you know. The Dragon Ball fighters, that too, you know, the JoJo's with the whole roll da knives and stop in time and that's what we're gonna do for today. Wooly, my boy, you better be watching because I'm gonna make you proud. I'm gonna make you proud. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me?
No,
Please tell me I love you.
Noah,
Yeah.
stop pleasing Wooly, okay? We're doing the show.
Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? Please tell me I love you.
Stop pleasing Wooly, okay?
Wooly
That was all we needed. That was.
Oh. Yay.
Please tell me you don't have that orbital.
Yes, I do, but it's not in my hand. Have you heard of fishers?
10 years long time ago, I was struggling with my self-image. I wasn't happy with the way I looked. I spent hours a day trying to look good. I felt absolutely hopeless. But all that changed when my doctor introduced me to Samo, a revolutionary new drug for people with self-esteem issues. Just one pill, and you can finally feel good about how you look.
Consult your doctor before purchasing Samo. Side effects include, but are not limited to, extremely blurred vision, a lust to ditch your love partner in favor of a 7-foot tall Indian girl with a 12-inch dick, violent mood swings, an alternative personality that wants to murder your family, another alt personality that wants to murder your friend's family, a third personality that wants to murder Osmond Gold's family, and an insatiable craving for moon pies.
though, I now have the balls to look myself in the mirror, no matter how sloppy I look.
So, our first guest for today is... Wait. Where's our first guest? Who is our first guest?
I think a better question would be, why is the first guest?
You. It can't be you. I saw you die in Zanzibar.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What's my name?
Epsilon. The hooded enigma.
That's right.
That can't be true. It can't be you. I saw your ship fly into the jaws of the nightmare child.
I know. It was horrifying.
I tried to save you.
I know. Your efforts were not in vain.
But
I may have died, but they were able to bring me back.
oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, what should I call you by now anyways? Because every time I try to look up your name on Google, it just redirects me to a smoking ad thing from Friends. Also, I'm looking at a script right now, and your name is actually pixelated. Wait, did I just say I'm looking at a script?
What?
What?
That's not important right now. Call me Liquid Noah, because I'm actually your brother. That's right! Back in 1972, you and I were created as part of the secret Les Enfants Terribles project, designed to create the perfect super soldier using the genes of the big boss. At the time, he was considered the greatest warrior of the 20th century. We don't know much about it, but that man was also involved. We were one of many products that came from a 100-year war against the Crusades, alongside justice. The first complete gear with free will and the power to control all of her own kind. She was sealed by the sacred order of the Holy Knights.
So why weren't you born 3 years after me?
In the first age, in the first battle, when the shadow first lengthened, one stood. Okay, let's get to the question.
Ow! Oh yeah, okay, right.
Yeah, I lost my train of thought. Anyway, the short answer for the 3-year delay was that the genes had to be searched for again because someone lazily closed a tab.
Oh, boy.
Did you know that scientists know where every gene in every chromosome is?
Huh.
That's why it took so long. Anyway, first proper question.
Oh yeah, what do I have here? Oh yeah. So how's your wife? I heard she's pregnant now.
Yeah, she had a miscarriage. But she doesn't mind because she's not interested in having a kid anymore.
I thought she was a Barbie doll.
Dolls don't.
Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Noah, and today we're going to give you the latest and greatest technology news of the 21st century, the hard and the soft.
So, let's start with the hard. We have this desk! Now, the cool thing about this desk is that it is sturdy enough that 3 people can sit on it and it won't break. We haven't tried it, but someone on Twitch certainly did.
That's it for the hard. Now on to the soft. Now Adobe has agreed that if any other rival programs are better than at least half the programs in the Creative Suite, they'll shut down everything and take all the programs down with it. Editors, artists, and writers alike are already seeking alternatives that are way better than Adobe's, who famously sued someone for using an outdated version of Illustrator.
I think people have failed to realize that the advantages of. What are you doing? This is the editor's corner.
We're gonna be late for the clam party, man!
Oh my god!
You're gonna get fucking
and whatever! Clam time!
Is there an H in wacko?
Now let's welcome our next guest. In fact, this is his first interview in 15 years. Since, before he fell off the wagon. It's the Bronxster!
The Bronxster.
Mom spaghetti. Hey, thank you.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm good.
I'm doing well, too.
And please, just call me Al. I'm not performing right now.
Alright, I respect that. So, Al, everyone wants to know where you've been.
I've been good. Although, not a lot of people show up to my concerts anymore. Not a lot of people listen to my music anymore. Nobody appreciates the AABA structure anymore. Not even a Bohemian Rhapsody-esque through-composed song, or a 10-minute or 15-minute long epic. It isn't really pleasant being a has-been, especially when everybody thinks I'm too old school for this stuff, especially to be on LaBrutz's crop like Cardi B or DJ Khaled in another crop.
Another one?
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one. Okay. Alright.
Okay. And there's this other rapper from Detroit who helped me pay my mortgage.
That's good.
I don't remember his name. I think it's Tea Party something or X something. I forget. It doesn't matter.
Interesting. That's good. That's good. Alright. Do people still remember you? Do you still have like a devoted fan base that keeps up with your life?
Well, my dog has been a big hit on Insta. Although, the one thing about being a house pet is you don't have to worry about stalkers. Unlike this other one.
Oh, you
Other one.
Oh, you stealing about stealing what's up? You know who?
Oh, her? Okay. I moved out of the Bronx up here, so I'm safe for another few months or so. But the scars of the experiences still live on. Ugh. It's okay, Al. No worries.
We'll be right back.
Wait, that's it?
Yes.
I forgot how it ended.
Me too. Actually, I didn't. Never mind. Whatever. we should keep that.
We certainly are.
We should keep that.
A brain drain.
So Noah, are you ready?
No.
You better be. First, I'm going to tell everyone what's going to happen. Okay, everyone. So my friend's going to be taking over the headset for a while, so bear with me for a second.
Okay.
All right, Noah. Play nice. All right, well, put this on there. This goes in the right hand. This goes in the left hand.
My hands are best.
All right.
Ah, this is awesome. Oh my god. Wee! Woo! Muda, 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 muda.
You can't.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Hey.
Zany.
Okay.
Here, can you help with it?
Yeah.
Siggy!
Hey man, are you good?
We're good.
We're good.
We're good.
We're all right. We're just hanging out. You are now a part of the Good Afternoon with No Martini show. With No Martini. Oh, you're approaching me?
It's Daft Punk.
Something happened. How do I move that again? Oh my god.
What's it? Oh.
Leave. Escape.
Escape.
Oh my god, Zekrom, my boy! Yay! Yay, Zekrom! Boys club. The boys table is here. The boys. What a lovely night for us to roll. No. Erase. What is that? It's a bird. There's Zekrom. You got mine.
Oh
I want to get
yeah!
some juice. I want to get
Where's
some
the
juice.
mop?
I want to get some juice.
Please stop the mop! I got you serious phone! I got you taco!
Thank you.
One pair of pants later.
And we're back with Liquid Noah, my brother, who I never knew existed. Oh my god, where have you been all my life? There's so many questions I had to ask you. Like, where have you been?
So, yeah, things are getting a little hectic. I found myself in a boatload of debt, and I'm trying to pay that off by the end of the year. The good news is, I found a method by a friend of a friend who graduated in finance. He also raps, which is nice.
Is this some sort of scam to get people to pay you money?
No, of course not. That's all just a rigmarole. Plus, I get to use those giant ad machines they used back in the day. You can push the buttons on them, and it makes such a satisfying sound. Perfect.
So you want to come to my house after the whole thing, and you meet my family? I mean, we got a lot of catching up to do.
Oh, I need to catch up. I'm gonna tell you so many stories. It'll be like 1,001 nights. They're always hungry for more.
All right, perfect. I got some time to kill. Want me to call mom and I'll bring you over? We'll pick you up.
Let's go.
Hello.
Classical music wasn't something I got into as a kid. One trip to the symphony ruined it all for me. And then a friend dared me to play Beethoven's 9 symphonies back to back. Ever since that day, I've been a hopeless case, stuck in a hole I can't get out of, always wanting more. And the worst part? I've burned all my pop records. Classical music, not worth the time.
A message from Concerned Children's Advertisers.
Is Reese here? Oh, okay. Send them in. Come on.
Please tell me there's no trapdoor underneath my chair.
There isn't, don't worry.
No spike traps, no lava pits.
No, nothing. Don't worry, we're not gonna.
Funny that goes hush.
That was all for episode 2. That was only for episode 2.
Oh, nice.
So how's your day going?
I think it's going good, thank you. At least glad the COVID's going away slowly. Plus I got that graphic design gig with Jonathan.
Well, yeah, that's fun.
Yeah.
I've seen you on that show before. On You Jokes, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, especially I liked it, especially in the segment where you try to make up what are the people in the stock photos are famous for.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, now you got it.
And so, hey, did you see that new Venom, the Venom trailer for Venom 2?
The Venom. Oh no, I have not seen
it. It looks
trailer.
badass. It's so sick. Oh my god, you should see it.
Oh my god.
Carnage confirmed. It's got Carnage.
Wait, hold on. They got Carnage?
Yeah, Carnage. Woody Harrelson is Carnage.
Oh,
it's gonna be good.
Ooh, wee, mama. I love it.
We're gonna watch it. We're gonna have a whole watch along.
Yeah, we have to.
We have to watch it. You have beautiful eyes, you know.
What? What flies?
Beautiful eyes, I said.
Oh, beautiful flies.
Beautiful eyes.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
So, ever heard of a pocket symphony?
No.
No, I haven't heard of it either. Apparently it's a symphony in your pocket.
Hey, is that Angus Andrew?
But nobody knows who Angus Andrew is.
Who is Angus Andrew?
No.
I don't know. Only we know who Angus Andrew is.
Yeah.
Damn right.
Hello, we are your Agony Aunts, here to answer some of your burning questions that may or may not redirect the trajectory of your life.
Results may vary.
I have no idea.
First question is from Dean Monty from Chicago. He writes, "What is wrong with you people?"
Absolutely everything.
We need help.
No.
Stephanie Weston from Manhattan writes, "My eye is missing. What do I do?"
Hold on. Well, you only lost one of your eyes, right?
Yeah.
You should still be able to see, although your depth perception is going to be fucked up. So just backtrack your day and you'll probably find your eye. It may have fallen in the grass somewhere. Also, don't trip over anything, because that's really going to hurt.
Allie Evans from Brooklyn writes, "My best friend doesn't understand me. How can I convince her to do so?" Just over-enunciate everything. That will always convince people.
Samantha Earlstead from Thornhill asks, "Did you see the squirrel eating a loaf of bread?"
Wait, there's a squirrel?
Wait, where? Oh my
Over
god,
there.
there it is! It's got a whole loaf of bread in its mouth!
Holy cow!
Oh my god!
Holy,
So big!
it's a miracle.
Yeah!
3 hours later.
Sorry about that, folks.
Yeah.
Okay. And the final question is from Ringding7 from Umeå, Sweden. He or she writes, "What is the best thing that has happened to you this year?"
That's a good question. Do you want to answer first?
Yes, I got a new computer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a
Can
beauty.
can we see the new computer?
Sure. Let me load it up.
We're waiting for Alex to show his new computer. It shouldn't be taking this long.
Here it is.
Oh my god, that's an amazing computer.
Yeah.
Wow.
What about you?
Oh, I got a good one for you. So I was at someone's birthday party. I was at this mini golf course, and we finished a round of golf, and we saw this couple playing the game where you spin a wheel, and whatever number it lands on, you earn tickets. So the first time they spun the wheel, they were like one peg away from winning the jackpot, and they didn't get it. So the second time they spun, we shook the machine, it said tilt. They didn't get any tickets. And then the third time they spun, they won 1,000 tickets, and they offered to split it between me, him, and his girlfriend. I just gave all the tickets back to them because I don't buy things at arcades. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Agony Ants.
Leave more of your burning questions and maybe we'll answer them again.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
And now for our musical guest for the night, The Brothers, talking about his murder run, featuring
DJ Sorrow, turn the fuck up!
DJ Sorrow.
This is my murder ride.
Murder ride, scar in my murder ride.
Murder ride.
Murder ride, boys on my motor ride. Murder ride, in my murder ride. I live, I die, I live again. I'm coming with my army of skeletons.
Check it. Yeah. You know it.
Wait, you're not even singing? Are you? He wasn't even singing!
Epilogue.
What? Yeah. Can I help you? Well, looks like you got the worst timing in the world, babe. We drove Bronxer back to the airport yesterday, and he's probably hiding out from you somewhere in the Middle East. Yep. He would not shut the hell up about you. No, in a terrible sexual harassing kind of way. Yeah, but you 60 though. I mean, I really thought you were cool in Final Wars.
Six and a half hours later.